Assalamu alaikum everyone. Back to Learn and Growth with Ali. My name is Ali Hadar, and every day I share short and meaningful lesson to help a student improve their knowledge, mindset, and future skills. If you want to learn growth and become the better day by day, you are in the right place. So let us start to the topics. The topic is that what is the artificial intelligence, and now I am talking about what is the artificial intelligence and how you can learn the artificial intelligence, as well as I'm talking about which AI tools better to learn artificial intelligence and which platforms is better, and as well as I'm talking about which better to learn artificial intelligence. So please watch the video. And so the artificial intelligence, I'm also very interested in the artificial intelligence. My major is artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is really important, very important in the future. In my opinion, is that total future become in artificial intelligence, as well as if you want to learn artificial intelligence, this is very helpful for your future, for everything. So the artificial intelligence have now introduction to artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. If you want computer as a human, if you want to computer run as a human, so this is the artificial intelligence, as well as the main major 3 point artificial intelligence. First, artificial intelligence, then ML, machine learning, on the other side DL, deep learning. So this is really important. First you learn artificial intelligence, then MI, machine learning, DAL, deep learning. So this is really important topics and point, you say, important field in artificial intelligence. And if you now I'm talking about how you can learn artificial intelligence in your home, and how you can come in artificial intelligence easily, and how you learn easily, and how which platform and which things need to learn artificial intelligence. First of all, if you are interested in the computer science, then for you is really easy artificial intelligence, because you also know what is the coding. So now I'm first of all discuss what is the coding. Coding is the programming language like Python, JavaScript, HTML, CC or CSS. On the other side, the oldest language is C++. And in my opinion is that the beginner language is the Python. If you learn Python, if you want to, if you know a Python, what is the Python, then AI is very easy for you. So Python is really beginner and helpful for who is learning first time artificial intelligence, who is become in first time in artificial intelligence. Then AI is really interesting for really easy for you. How you can learn a programming language? In my opinion, if you want to learn as a lesson like books, you want to learn as books, and if you want to a course in video, then you need a YouTube. One of the best platform if you want to learn anything. In my opinion, is that YouTube. I'm also say YouTube one of the best university in the world. You learn anything in YouTube. First of all, you search what is the Python. This is the programming language, and first of all you make fundamental in Python in YouTube. If you do not like YouTube videos, then you become online courses like maybe Harvard University's in Harvard University website is free available AI artificial intelligence courses. And if you want to first programming language, then in Harvard University, Oxford University, MIT. On the other side, they have a lot of platforms like Mindlost, maybe yeah. So this is the platform if you learn online courses. So this is really helpful for you. First of all, learn the programming language. If you learn programming language, you know what is the programming language, then you learn easily artificial intelligence, because this programming language coding is the one of the important and first step to learn artificial intelligence, to learn anything. So really artificial intelligence is really helpful for everyone who is maybe who is becoming artificial intelligence engineer, or as well as learn Python in YouTube. If you do not like the YouTube videos, Then I'm also say Harvard, MIT, in this university website have free courses. Take these courses and learn these courses. Then you make your fundamental in Python. Then you step by step learn artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence not very hard field in my opinion, that if you learn if you know what is the codings and you write the code easily, then you learn the artificial intelligence. In my opinion, that artificial intelligence is all about the coding, because I'm also learn the artificial intelligence. So my major is artificial intelligence. So this is I'm now all about what is artificial intelligence, how it is run, and how you can learn artificial intelligence in your home freely. So I also take the courses of a lot of platforms, Python, JavaScript, CC, web development, HTML, as well as I learn introduction to computer science. So my major is also I'm saying the artificial intelligence. So this is really interesting. So when I was first time learning the computer science, artificial intelligence, I first language is like the Python. In my opinion, is that Python is the real beginner and very easy language. Because C, as compared to JavaScript, as compared to C++, and JavaScript is the really hard. First, if you want to learn JavaScript and C++, you first learn the Python, then you take step next C++ and JavaScript. The roadmap is my maybe first is Python, on the other side is JavaScript, on the other side third is C++. And C++ is the third side is less, because this is the very professional and very hard advanced language. So this is not I recommend everyone, or if you who is become as a beginner. So beginner, if you become artificial intelligence as a beginner, so for you is Python is the one of the best language for you. So conclusion is that first of all, learning the Python, JavaScript on YouTube, on the Google, on MIT University website, Harvard University website. If you learn Python, complete this course and you understand, make notes, then you take a step artificial intelligence course. Research on the YouTube. If you do not like the YouTube, you do not understand easily, then you I'm also saying Harvard and MIT and a lot of websites have an academy provide a free courses, free certifications. So this is really helpful for everyone who is coming in artificial intelligence, who will become an artificial engineer at a beginner level. So this is really helpful for you. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope this topic is really helpful for everyone who is watching this video. So inshallah tomorrow I will come with new interesting topics. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.